And we're back again with some more news you guys could use. Today we got a great lineup for you guys. We're going to do our weekly review and show you some of the trade ideas that we're actually looking at in the market. Now, before we actually go to charts, we've been having our eyes keyed in on the USD and also the JPY. So we'll have some great opportunities set up, and we're looking for some more traction, some more volatility to continue into this week and next. So without further ado, we're going to jump into the charts here. Now, we do have AUD USD up on the screen. Let me remove that. So this has been a great trade for us. As you guys can see, we actually took advantage of this after this big impulse on, it was actual some type of inflation. That was actually the not CPI, but the actual Australian bank data. They raised interest rates. We came in, we took that as a sell, sold directly after. It's been dropping ever since. Some very great price action. This was kind of our original entry a couple of weeks ago. Been riding it down, taking profit along the way. Got a nice little bit of impulse yesterday, but we were saying if this is starts rejecting, we can actually take this trade again. As far as playing this now, we'll be looking for, where are we at now? 69.35. So you may just want to, I would actually sell now during market open. We're going to sell and tuck that stop back beneath at least this candle tail. Probably go somewhere around here like 71.30. So give it at least about 100 pip stop loss. On the return, you're looking for about another 430 pips as downside. We're aiming for 65. Now, as we were saying earlier, we are looking for some strength in the USD. And one reason why we're looking for that continued strength, we'll show you guys here. Now, this is going to be USD CHN, or against the Chinese yuan. And whenever they let the dollar rise upon the yuan, the Chinese are actually looking to increase their exports. So they're looking for, cheap exporting price, allowing the dollar to go up. It's also going to be kind of negative, or will be negative, for commodity currencies. So give us dollar boost, and we're going to look for some weakness in the commodity currencies. Next pair that I do want to go to, speaking about commodities, we'll look at USD Cad. Great trade. We've been riding this trade for a while here. We got USD Cad. We boosted up. We've seen the pullback. We were waiting for this pullback to stop to get back in. Got us a nice entry the other day, and we're looking for 135. Some very decent price action, just kind of stair-stepping, pull back, come up, pull back, looking to enter in. We actually got another entry in here now. So if you're looking to play this trade fresh, we're at 129.90. Just wait for the break of 130. Look at it like 130.20, 130.30. When go ahead and go long, tuck your stop underneath this candle tail here. So you look about another 100 pip stop. But as you guys can see, been a great trade for us for a while. We've actually been riding, taking profit in off this dollar bull that we've been seeing. Next trade up, let's go and look at Euro USD. So currently this one is kind of just chopping around. Now we do have a trajectory or projections that the Euro will raise their interest rate to at least 1% this year. We don't see that happening with everything that's going on still in Russia and just other economic things going on in the Euro. So we're definitely looking for this sale to continue and actually speed up, break these lows. We'll look to take this down. You're also going to get the carry trade by trading it short. So you actually get paid for your swap fee the longer that you actually hold this trade. So great lineup looking for us. Now, we have been covering some of these USD pairs, and I did want to take a look at a few crosses. Before we get there, though, I do like this USD. I think my box moved on me, but I do like this peso, USD peso. Commodity currencies have been getting hit. Peso, not so much, but we did get a big impulse, pretty hefty pullback. I think we took some profit, got pulled out on the stop, and we're looking to re-enter this. Now, as far as taking this trade fresh, if you're looking to actually get into this trade, we're going to look at a break of this level here, somewhere around here, around 2040. Look to ride this up to the upside. Now, let's take a look. Also, it's giving us a little bit of our dollar bias is the stock market. Now, we sent a great trade out the other day. We've actually been in this thing for a while, since this 45.30-ish area, but I updated with a new trade entry the other day, and I'll pull that up for you guys right here. You see target just got hit. We got in somewhere around here, so it's been a nice couple thousand point move, and we're looking for this to continue to go down. Now we do have a longer term target. Let's look at this monthly chart. So the reason we were taking this actual trade is we did see that median line of the Bollinger Band the other day being broke. Came through, slammed right through it, actually hit our target. And now any weakness in this actual stock market is going to be dollar bullish as well. And we did cover this in last week's video. Again, if you guys ever want access to our analysis on 14 trading pairs and some of our education or methodologies, feel free to contact me, follow us on all forms of social media, and we'll definitely, let you guys know what we have available for you. So when looking at the stock market here, we have this is a good chart for BCOM. We showed this here as well. As dollar continues to go up, commodities are starting to show signs of weakness. But pertaining to the stock market, I want to show you guys this chart here. GX. Here we go. So global equities versus central bank balance sheet. We see that 90% of this rally, we had the Fed coming in strong with stimulus back here. 90% of this rally has been due to Fed stimulus. And as they actually tighten and remove some of that, we're looking for the floor to be removed. Another great target, I actually did a reel on this the other day, or another great chart. And it shows where the trajectory, if we follow some of the seasonal patterns of the last 19-year bear market. So a lot of people have been worried in the market. A lot of people have been wondering why the constant decline in high beta, high risk assets like cryptos, stocks. We've been seeing this on the horizon. We've been trying to keep you guys informed. So just if you like a little bit more insight, again, hit that like button, hit that follow, and let us help keep you up to date and in tune with the market. So we did see that, see this coming, and we can see this turn, this possible turn in the market. One other chart I did want to show was the composite index for the Nasdaq. Now XPX is the kind of the global, what would I say, the global standard for the stock market. So that's the one we kind of more pay attention to, but this is a good chart for the NYSE composite index. And this actually shows that once we break that 100-day EMA, we typically follow or find a nice correction or a crash. And we see each time it actually happened. And a lot of this was, revolved around economic projects from the central bank, stimulus, things like that. Crashes. So may not get an intense crash, but we are looking to have this thing correct. Our ultimate target may be around this 32. But we're gonna keep monitoring this, keep trading this in the direction just going. We're gonna let the charts tell us which way we need to trade. Another one. Let's go to some actual crosses. Let's look at the JPY, because I see the yen is actually heating up. It's looking like some great opportunities in the yen for us. So EU, I do have a chart somewhere here for this. You can see I'm already just kind of waiting on this to break. Okay, there's my chart. So looking for this breakdown here. We got 136.60. I would actually take this now and see if it actually, fill in that tail. Look for this to keep on going down. Stop tucked around this previous day's candle high. And we're going to look to run a 30, 32, 30. Now, the yen, a lot of these yen pairs have been kind of giving us a headache as far as trading, a lot of chop, a big impulse. We weren't able to catch the upside move. We've been waiting for, the things to play out and for us to get a pretty nice short. So thinking this is the moment here, again, tucked behind this tail, and we'll continue to ride this thing to the downside. 132 and then 130 is our target. Next one's going to be the CAD. First, let's go ahead and go to the Nzd Jpy. Been a great trade for us. We've been riding this thing down, got in somewhere around this 83 level. Look for this continuing, and we're going to come all the way down to 80, then 78. If you're looking to play this now, I will go ahead and take it. Stop behind the tail. Next trade, let's go to Euro. Even though this isn't a JPY, a cross, it's actually at a great level. get any type of reaction, any type of weakness, I'm gonna sell this. We're looking for 80 longer term, 84 first target, tuck stop behind this tail. Next trade, CAD JPY. Actually, we'll take this now. 99.90, so 90, 99.80. We actually got an entry in up here somewhere around 101. So we're in a couple of hundred pips profit. Most of these trades we have been already, in the market, but we're working our way in or adding some more positions, things of that sort. Last one I do want to look at was USD CZK. USD CZK, and then we can also look at GBP AUD, and that'll wrap up our actual promo, our actual preview. And that's the kind of thing I'm saying. Promo, we actually are having a promo on our EDU or our alerts channel. So this is looking great. We just want to see a little bit more follow through on this bullish move, especially we break above these highs, these tails. Look for this thing to go and shoot off pretty hard. Currently, we're just going to be waiting until London, see how it pulls up. 177.70 is our actual entry, and we'll look to take this higher. The last one I want to check out, we'll leave you guys with, is USD CZK. Now, this is going to be what we consider a proxy to the euro. If we see the euro weakening, this thing will move in the opposite direction pretty fast. We do see we had some nice targets, actually hit our targets a while back. Continue to push up. We're looking for 24 in longer term. So as far as playing this, it's actually already breaking out. I look for continuation to the upside and continue to ride this. So any move back, any type of wick on this daily chart, push it up. Any type of breakout, we'll continue to play that to the upside. Last one, we did see one with USD try. We're starting to slowly catch some volatility to the upside. Broke out of this tight range here. We took the trade to the upside. So we're holding it, and hopefully it's going to speed up and give us some more volatility. But I did want to look at USD ZAR. So a little bit of exotics. Got a lot of nice trading pairs for you guys. Again, the link below, you guys will have access to joining our Facebook group of traders, as well as our website, and where you can follow us on social media. But USD ZAR, we'll look for this continue to the upside. That's some great trades here in this pair. We caught it down here, rolled it up, did give us a pullback. We actually got back in here on this pullback. It's continuing to go up. So we look for this to continue higher. These pullbacks or any dips in the dollar is looking like buying opportunities for us. And we're going to go to the 18 level longer term. So again, dollar bull, the Fed is being very hawkish, looking to keep continuing to raise rates, hike rates. We also have them removing some of the debt off the balance sheet. So it's going to be we're looking for the dollar wrecking ball to continue to swing. So we're going to take advantage of some of these backdrops, fundamental backdrops. And as long as price action matches, we're going to continue to trade in that direction. And it's been a great couple of weeks, very volatile, which we like to see in the market. So you guys, as always, you trade light, trade right. If you have any questions for me, any concerns, feel free to contact me. Again, this is Nick with KVFX. Some more news you guys could use. Peace.